Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about motion of the earth. Motion means movement or a way of moving. First, let us recapitulate what is solar system. The sun, along with the 8 planets and their satellites and pieces of rocks and dust from the solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system, and each planet moves around the sun in its fixed path called orbit. You can see the orbits of different planets in the picture. Student, please follow the video of the solar system which I have provided here, which will help you to understand more clearly. Our planet Earth is the 3rd planet in the solar system. The northernmost point of the Earth is called North Pole, and the southernmost point of the Earth is called Southern Pole. There is an imaginary line around the middle of the Earth, which divides the Earth into 2 equal halves called equator. It divides the earth into 2 hemispheres, the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now earth spins like a top around its axis from west to east. Now, what is axis? Earth axis is an imaginary line that passes through its center from the North Pole to the South Pole. It is slightly tilted. Let us now learn about the different movement of the earth and their effects. There are 2 important movements of the earth. As you know, the earth spins on its axis. These spinning movements of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The rotation of the earth causes the formation of day and night. As earth rotates, 1/2 of it faces the sun. This part of the earth that gets light from the sun has day, and the other half of the earth that is away from the sun has night. Therefore, the rotation causes day and night. The earth rotates from west to east. That is why the earth appears to rise in the east and sets in the west. The time when the sun rises is called sunrise, and when it sets, it is called sunset. The period between sunrise and sunset is called daytime. Now, if the earth stopped rotating on its axis, then the portion of the earth facing the sun would always experience day, and the portion of the earth facing the dark would always experience night. It would bring continuous warmth and cold all the time to the respective region. In such condition, life would not have been possible. Now again, follow the video of rotation, which will help you to understand the concept of it. let us know about other important movement of the earth. The other important movement of the earth is revolution. Now, what is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. The seasons are caused by the earth revolution around the sun as well as the tilt of the earth's axis. The hemisphere that receive most direct sunlight experience spring and summer, while the other that do not experience direct sunlight have autumn and winter. Thus we see the movements the earth brings about important change, such as change of day into night and also change of season. Video on revolution is given, so please watch it patiently. have reached towards the end of the chapter discussion. Hope you have enjoyed while learning it. Due to the pandemic situation, we are bound within the digital classes as we are not able to provide the class in the school. So please go through the video properly and watch the full video. I hope it will really help you to understand the chapter.